so until I get in there, but we still are at Home Depot. All right.
How you doing there? I'll see you. Thank you. What's up?
Broken.
We don't send them out anymore. That's the honest to God truth. As of the 27th of last month.
So now what do we do?
If you contact, you'll have to contact RIDGID Direct. Yeah, that's a corporate thing. That's not just our store or anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it was too much cost effect or something.
Well, I'm not sure. But, most of that stuff like that, it's just
There's
all about money.
also, if you want,
That's what I'm saying.
Probably.
there's a website here for the RIDGID tools you can go to and request tool repair, and they may be another place nearby that will do it. Just Home Depot ourselves won't do it anymore.
Okay.
So, if
Oh,
you want to
really?
take
You
that,
think
yeah.
that's going on? Okay. I
It's hard
wonder
to find
how long.
people.
I was wondering how long that was going to last of
Yeah.
bringing it in here. So.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but that's, it always comes down. Yeah, Sia comes down to everything.
Okay, that's fine. All right, because I knew I did it with the batteries. Because I did it
Oh,
with the batteries.
yep. And that,
So I figured
that
that
changed
when
too.
that changed.
Yeah,
So.
yeah.
Okay, good enough. Thank you, buddy.
All right, yeah, thanks. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it's all right. All right. Interesting. It was the program switched now, so now you have to get a hold of RIDGID, and then they warranty the take care of the tools too. I wonder what that was going to stop, guys. But yeah. Well, you heard it from the horse's mouth there. Is you cannot warranty your tools through Home Depot. So that might be